guys, today I'm going to be opening my Wakanda Forever Black Panther toy. Here we go. Here she is. Here are some cool things she can do when we put her legs together, like slightly push them together. This comes out super cool. So you can see it's out, and if we push it together again, her arms can move around. So like if it's on the side and one in front, her head can move left and right, and her back like that in front. I love her. I give her a 5-star review, and if you want one, link in description. And still can't wait till the movie comes out. Wakanda Forever. Callie out.